In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cool purple marble nails. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, it's Claris, welcome back. So this design is a decal, so to make that, grab a plastic lid and various purple polishes, creme and glitter, and then a silver or gray. To start, grab your dark polish and drop 4 drops next to each other. Then grab a lighter purple and make some dots inside of the other ones. Add in some silver and some purple glitter. And a quick tip is, the colors that you want to be more prominent should be added last. To help the color spread better, put some polish in between the drops. Then start tipping the lid around, and you'll quickly notice if you want to add some more purple polish. Just go ahead and keep tipping it until you are happy. And for me, these take 2 hours to dry, so just set it aside for later. Hey guys, I have a question for you. What is your favorite color to paint your nails? Share your answer below. Now apply your base coat of choice, and if you are using a peel-off base coat, I find that the decal won't stick to it when it's wet like how it would stick to a wet regular base coat. So let that dry, peel up your decal, and I did not apply top coat over it, so it will be thin and may tear, so just be careful. Then I'm applying a layer of regular polish, and these decals love to stick to this, so I just tap that on and use a wood stick to chop off the excess. You can also use scissors. I apply latex around my nail, and that allows me to peel off the excess. Very convenient. Use a brush dipped in acetone to melt the edges to the nail, and you are done! I hope you enjoyed this look, but I also got a request for my fall sunset nails, so hit the notification bell if you'd like to see how I did these. Check out my other videos below in the description and sign up to my email list for weekly newsletters featuring new videos. The links are all below. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Please feel free to share this video with your friends. And comment below if you would like to request a tutorial for any of the nail looks I've done over on my Instagram. I'd be happy to share. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.